How to add multiple payment methods in McDonald's app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can add multiple payment methods on your McDonald's app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is simply open up your McDonald's app. After you've opened it up, head over to the More section on the bottom right. After you're there, what you'll need to do is you will need to head over to your profile. After you tap on profile, there you'll find multiple options, and including that you'll find payment methods. Tap on payment methods and you should see something like this, where you can add new debit card or credit card. So all you have to do is tap on new debit or credit card, and from there now you can simply add your card number and your details and you are good to go. Tap on save and you'll have added a new payment method on your McDonald's app. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Care.